Welcome at my tutorial about LFI. At first I want to tell you how to find a vulnerability. It's not like an SQL injection by typing in the get parameter and union select or an SQL code and so on. You must type in by an RFI and URL, like you see here, the main PHP, the code of the main PHP. Like you see, I have included the word vulner about the get parameter. Yes, and direct inclusion at the word vulner. Now if I type in question mark, then the included word, and then I could type in an URL to check if an RFI is possible. So you see, you couldn't do an RFI because I have disabled the URL file access. Now let's check an LFI by typing in include.php. I see, yes, it's possibly, maybe. Now type in a folder name like htdocs index.php, and you see, well, it could be possibly. So yes, let's check it. Yes. Now I have found a way to combine LFI and RFI. The way I'm gonna show you is telnet. We need a terminal and then type in telnet, then our host. My host is localhost, and then the port, which is 80. Now see, I'm connected. Now I have made an code which load an ctext. The ctext from a remote host. Here's my remote host, and create the ctext as a shell PHP. So let's copy and paste it in the terminal. You see the connection has been refused. Now let's check the error log by typing in apache logs error log. You see here is the error log. As the way I had passed the code in the terminal. The code has written in the error log, and if I had opened the error log, a shell PHP has been installed. Now let's check this by typing in shell PHP, and you see, here's the shell PHP. So now you could do absolutely everything with the server. Absolutely everything. Do an encoding tool, use remote tools, do an FTP root, make a security check, do SQL codes, execute PHP codes, make an update, write a feedback for the code, and then do self-remove and log out, change the folders, jump in the folders, check the drives. Here you see the C drive. Now you could do so. Type in music. Yeah, here you see my music, and drive E. Here you see my Windows drive. Yes. That was my tutorial about LFI and RFI combined. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and learned something. Greets to infinityexist.com. I'm Ground Zero. Visit my blog volnex.x2.to and yes, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Greets.